Hello friends, this is International Olympiad of Science comprehensive book for science क्लास 4 के लिए। जो बच्चे इंटरनेशनल ओलंपियाड की तैयारी कर रहे हैं वो देख लें सिलेबस क्या क्या कवर हो रहा है। ओके, ये मैंने ऑनलाइन बाय किया है दिस बुक को। ये देखिए, प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स, फंक्शन ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी, मेजरमेंट, मैटर्स, फोर्स, वर्क, एनर्जी, आवर एनवायरनमेंट, आवर यूनिवर्स, रीजनिंग एंड एप्टीट्यूड, रीजनिंग एंड एप्टीट्यूड। और मॉडल टेस्ट पेपर भी है 1 and 2। ये है प्लांट्स चैप्टर और इसका प्रैक्टिकल भी है। ये जो मेरी बेटी ने सॉल्व किया है और वो एक चैप्टर सॉल्व करके भी दिखाएगी कि उसने कैसे सॉल्व किया है। ये देखिए, सॉरी, आप चाहते हैं तो आप इसका स्क्रीनशॉट भी ले सकते हैं।
The harmful changes made in the environment due to human activities are called pollution. Which among the following is a type of pollution? Water pollution, soil pollution, air pollution, all of the above. All of the above. Gases discharged from industries cause air pollution. Which type of pollution is shown in the figure? Which type of pollution is this? You guessed it right, air pollution. How many types of pollution are there mainly? There are 3 types of pollutions. A disease which is caused due to air pollution, asthma. Which among the following is a waterborne disease? Typhoid. Which statement among the following is not correct?
Which of the following statement is not correct?
Dumping of plastic in the soil causes soil pollution. This one is correct. Loudspeaker vehicles cause noise pollution. This one is also correct. Burning of garbage leads air pollution. This is also correct. Bathing of animals in river makes the water clean. This is not correct. Match the following: water pollution, air pollution, land pollution, noise pollution. Dumping of soil waste in the soil. Dumping of soil waste in the soil is land pollution. So it will be number 3. Honking. Honking means blowing horn. So it
honking.
So it is noise pollution.
Good, very good.
Sewage water into rivers. This is water pollution, number 1.
Fumes.
This is number 2, air pollution. So number 1 is C, 1 is C, and 2 is D, 2 is D, and 3 is A, 3 is A, and 4 is B, and 4 is B. So number A is correct one.
Okay.
Exposes to the loud noise over a long period of time cause dumbness,
humbleness, deafness, palenness. क्या होगा? Deafness is the यानी बहरा हो जाएगा इंसान। ज्यादा नॉइज से क्या होता है? डीफ मतलब बहरा, deafness मतलब बहरे हो जाएंगे। ओके,
नेक्स्ट। Air pollution can be caused by releasing of chemicals waste into lakes. No, this is water pollution. Washing clothes in river. This is also water pollution. Releasing of poisonous gases from industries. This and agricultural waste. Agricultural waste is not a pollution, I think. So it will be releasing poisoning gas from industries. Number C. Mixing of harmful substance with dash is called land pollution. Mixing harmful substance from dash is called land pollution. Soil.
Very good.
Which one of the following is used in agriculture to grow crops? Fertilizer, pesticides, manures, all of the above. So it will be all of the above because all of the above is used to grow agriculture to grow crops. Which among the following can cause both air and water pollution? Industrial waste, burning of garbage, harmful gases, all of the above. And industrial waste also causes the pollution. Burning of garbage is also pollution, and harmful gases is also pollution. So I think all of the above. Or
yes, correct.
Okay. So in which month of the year Van Mahotsav? So this one is correct. We will apply it on it. Dash Day is celebrated on 5th June. 5th June is celebrated as Environment Day. Dash is made from wood pulp paper. Match the following. Column A, column B. So we will do the match the following, which is very easy. Typhoid is caused from dirty water, so it will be water. Bronchitis is what disease? I don't know. So we will do deafness. Number 3. Noise. So it will be
bronchitis नहीं पता खांसी क्यों होता है? एयर पोल्यूशन की वजह से ना। Bronchitis. Bronchitis due to the air pollution. Deafness due to the noise pollution. Pesticides
in the soil. So 1 is C, 2 is A, 1 is C, 2 is A, 3 is D, that is 3D, yes. 4 is
correct
B.
answer is?
4 is B. Yeah.
The correct answer is C.
C. Planting of trees in large number is called afforestation.
Yes.
Plants do not help in releasing oxygen, polluting the environment, making rain. Plants help in making rain and holding the soil, but
Do not
do
help.
not help in polluting the environment. Unscramble the name of a tree
It
which
gives us
gives us sour fruit.
खट्टा. इसको ठीक करके बता.
So we will unscramble. So this is LEMON. Lemon.
Very good,
Lemon is
lemon.
a sour fruit. So this
Very good, very good.
the
LEMON.
removal of the
Fertile topsoil is called
soil erosion.
ये एक चैप्टर हम पूरा करके दिखा रहे हैं आपको. सॉइल चैप्टर.
The rise
Our
of
environment
sea leaves is cause of
Sea level.
Sea level is cause of. So this is global warming because evaporation. So that's why. The following is a biodegradable waste. All the things, vegetable peel, things made of wood, and fruit peel, all of the above is. What does this sign indicate? This sign indicate recycle.
Indicate recycle. This sign.
Disposal of waste has to be managed well too. Cows increase, prevent pollution. Afforestation is done for increasing the number of houses, soil conversion, soil erosion, polluting the environment. None of these. So number B.
Conservation.
Soil conservation. Which among the following is a non-biodegradable waste? Plastic, metal, glass. All of the above. None of these. All of the above will be the answer. Which among the following statement is correct? We should use plastic bags more and more. No. We should allow strange water to stand. No. We should dispose of dry waste and wet waste separately. Dispose means we should use petrol at the place of CNG. No, this is not correct. So this one is correct.
We should dispose
of dry waste and wet waste separately. We should separate dry and wet waste.
Okay.
So that if the figure is showing what is this picture showing? This picture is showing water pollution. Microorganism growing in the pollutants water. Cows.
Can cows? पानी की वजह से टाइफाइड होता है ना.
Harmful substances which pollute air, water and land are called pollutants.
Very good.
Landfill is a dash. Landfill is a landscape, dumping place, aquatic habitat, tourist place.
Landfill is a
landscape.
Okay. तो इसी तरह हम अभी 35 क्वेश्चन तक कर लिए हैं. 33. अब हम यहाँ से अब आप करके बताएं. ये लास्ट पेज है. ओके. ये नेक्स्ट चैप्टर आवर यूनिवर्स आ गया जो हमारे सोलर सिस्टम के बारे में है. ओके. अब इससे बड़ा बनाएंगे तो और हमारा वीडियो बड़ा हो जाएगा. और आप देख लें इस तरीके के क्वेश्चन आंसर आएंगे. इसको टिक कर लें. इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें. इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स आएंगे. ओके. नेक्स्ट पेज.
Reasoning and aptitude. इसमें थोड़ा सा मैथ्स की तरफ चला गया है. ऐसा भी हो सकता है.
बट थोड़ा सा रीजनिंग
चैप्टर थोड़ा सा मैथ्स की तरफ गया बट ये भी साइंस का ही पार्ट है. पार्ट है.
इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी आएंगे. ओके.
एंड यहाँ पे हमें ये मिलता है मॉडल टेस्ट पेपर. आप इससे प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं कि आपको
अगर आपको मॉडल टेस्ट पेपर का वीडियो चाहिए तो मुझे बताएं.
हमें बताइएगा. हम लोग उसके लिए भी वीडियो बनाएंगे. इससे आप लोग प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं जिससे कि आप लोग एग्जाम में अच्छे से करें. एंड इसके लास्ट में पूरे आंसर दिए गए हैं तो अगर आपको नहीं आता है तो आप लोग यहाँ से
टेस्ट कर सकते हैं.
आंसर
इज इट करेक्ट और नॉट.
आपको